Hello guys, this is once again Pachuto Regan Clara. So guys, I want to take you a very simple part in Excel, so how we make a report card. So I just want to move over it. So guys, you just be attention. I need some attention for you guys. So when you want just you are a primary teacher, secondary teacher, you want to make your work easy, not like those primary teacher where you use a lot of books for writing those names of the students. So if you want just to make your report cards, you just tap in your Excel, you go to your Excel. So like here, I just tap here. So I want to make a report card. So making report card, you start with the names. The name, the first subject is the name. So write name of pupil if you're a primary teacher. Then I go writing the name. Let me say, I'm just writing, for example, James, John, John, James, start afresh, James, so John, let me see again, Jonathan, then let me say Jolie, then I go to their marks, the subject, I want to give them mark, the subject, let me say math, the MTC, that is math, transferred here, SST, Science, then I go to English. Yeah, so let me give the mark. For instance, James maths, James got 70, John got 76. Also the room, John got 34, John got 450. Come to 60, John got 60. Then got 43, then got 65, this one got 87, and this one got 88, this one 78, then got 232. 55. English got one to 8 to 7. This one is 7 1. This one 90. So I just wanna see a total. So I go to the total. So when you just want to do a total, you want to add the total, so you come to your equal to, then you say sum, then you open a bracket, then for this one here, the marks are starting from B2, B is B2, then you put a shift double dot, then from B2 to E2, then you close the bracket, then you enter. So you see this one, the total is 341. So you come here, you just drag the same thing down like this, and you see the total are coming. I think that one is done. So after the total, let me go to the average. So for the average also, you go to equal to, then you write average then you open a bracket also, from B2 to then you put your double dot to E2. So you just close the bracket, then enter. I think you have seen there. Come here, drop the same thing downward, down. See, it's coming. So like for instance, if you want your decimal places just to be in one decimal, you just come here, see, to one decimal place, to 0 decimal place. This one, if you want the decimal place to increase, go back to 1 to 2 decimal place. Want this one to 1 decimal place, to 0 decimal place. Can't even see. Let's put like this, to 0 decimal place. Then I come to what we call the position. I want to position these people. So in positioning, let me first write position. Position. For position, you do equal to. After the equal to, you put, then you, now this one you just rank. You write what you call rank. So you open a bracket, then like for this one here, I want to use the total to position. So I write F2, then I put a comma, then I introduce my $sign, $sign, then F, then $sign again, then 2, then you put a double dot, then F, $sign, I think it's from 5, then 5, yeah, 5, then I put a comma, 0, then I close my bracket, then enter. See, position is coming for this one here, number 1. So I come here, just drag the same thing down one. See the numbers are coming. These are number 1, number 2, number 4, number. Then after that, now I want to comment whether it's pass or fail. I want to comment now. Comment. So in comment, I just come to my equal to, press equal to, then I write if, then I open my bracket, then I write for this one here, we are in, I want to use the average to position these people. The average is G, then G, the average is G2, then I put my greater than, greater than 50. I put my comma, then I open a quotation, my quotation. There's a quotation for you, it's here. Then I write pass, then I close my quotation, close my quotation, and see from here, close my quotation. After closing the quotation, I put my comma, then I open another quotation, then fail or repeat. Let me say fail, then I close my quotation, then I close the whole bracket, then I enter. Then I drag the same thing. You see, for this one, these people, 1 have failed, then 3 they have passed. So guys, I will come to my YouTube channel. Just watch my video, like, subscribe. Before you have watched, you first subscribe. So thank you so much.